What's poppin' YouTube? It's King Bro coming at you again with another video. And I figured this time, let's skip the fancy smancy editing and whatnot. Let me give y'all some bang for your buck. This is an at-home chest and abs workout. You should be able to do this in 15-20 minutes. It's not the craziest, most unheard of workout, but it's something very simple that's gonna get you a lot of gains. All right, check me out. When you do these push-ups for your chest, you want to make sure that you're not getting full extension. I know some of you guys might be like, yeah, this is not a full true push-up, because I wanted to focus on my chest. I'm trying to get that chest pump, so I'm focusing on being explosive at the bottom and not necessarily locking all the way out. You want triceps, lock out. You want that chest, be explosive at the bottom. Do a few flutter kicks, boom, just to keep the abs tight, keep the core tight. Make sure you guys understand that left and right is one. Yep, now we have the diamond or the triangle push-ups. Now, you guys might be looking like these are for triceps. Yes, if you're locking all the way out, but at the bottom, I love the way diamond push-ups challenge my chest.
Oh yeah, oh boy, this shit banging.
And these are where the shit burns at. It burns, bruh. Oh my god, 7 seconds. Eccentric basically means that instead of focusing on the way up, we're gonna focus on the way down. So you're taking about 7 seconds from the top of the push-up all the way to the ground. This should burn the rest of your arms out, man. This is gonna kill it. I love this. That's why I kind of put it in red, because it burns. That's what I'm feeling right now. Crawls back to camera. Boom. And now we have the sit-ups. Keep your hands high. Make sure your hands aren't giving you any extra momentum going up. You want all of that ab work. And make sure when you do sit-ups, fellas, make sure you do not put anything over your toes. That's taking your abs out of the equation. It's making it so you can use your hip flexors. Do not put anything over your toes. Boom. Knock it out.
Oh boy, you went dumb on this one.
Boom. And then this is the final form, the burnout, explosive push-ups. This is one of the greatest chest workouts I know. You know what I'm saying? Making sure we get those explosive, clapping, burning push-ups, whatever you may call it. Make sure we get them. Make sure we get off the ground. Then as soon as we finish those explosive push-ups, you're going to burn out with normal push-ups all the way to the end. Woo. Got a couple more. Squeeze out a couple more if you can. Squeeze out a couple more. And even get a few. You even see at the end I try to attempt 2 girl push-ups, but I just didn't have it in me.
Oh yeah, oh boy, this shit.
But if you got any questions, make sure you comment. Make sure if you won't like this video, make sure you subscribe to more, and make sure you like it. Make sure you let me know in the comments whether it's thumbs up, thumbs down. What's up? King Bro coming at you again with another video. Peace.